Rislone Cat Complete. Does it work or doesn't it work? Sit down, boys and girls. You're going to enjoy this story. So the coil pack on this Honda J Series V6 that's inside of a Honda Accord is number one cylinder. The coil pack went out on the number one cylinder. And a check engine light came up as 420, dude. P0420. The dreaded, I got to replace my cat OBD code. Anywho, pick this stuff up. I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can pick it up on Amazon. But put this into the tank. Follow the directions to the T. So follow directions and it'll work out for you. So in the end, put this in. Thought it would clear the code. It did clear the code. And when it cleared the code, I went and got the vehicle smogged. And it did pass smog. But about 40 miles, 50 miles down the road, the check engine came back up. Again, P0420, 420. So it works and it doesn't work. I was hoping it would keep the light off completely, forever, always and forever, but it didn't. But it allowed me to get the car smogged and get the registration up to date. And so in the end, I guess it did work. Hoping that it would keep the light off, but whatever. You can't have your cake and eat it too, can you? So like I said, follow directions to the T. You can see I'm filling it up there. I wanted to show you guys pulling it out of the box so you guys could see it was brand new. And yeah, there you go. Quick review on Rislone Cat Complete. It worked for me. It'll probably work for you.